At this point, we are well underway in the semester, so we're going to kind of shift gears in ACA and focus more on how you be successful in your classes. So Module 3 is going to focus on study strategies. You're going to have 2 assignments. You're going to have a learning styles and study skills project, and then you're also going to have a study strategies forum. In terms of your content, your lesson content for Module 3, you have a video that goes over learning preferences. There's a video that goes over study strategies, so tips and tricks to being successful on your exams or, on your in-class assignments. How do you retain information? There's a list of outside resources for some more tips and tricks. And then finally, a video on the Feynman technique. So if there was one, technique for studying and retaining information, this would probably be the one that I would recommend the most. So I would encourage you to watch that video. Now let's take a look at those assignments that you're going to complete. The first one is the Learning and Study Skills project. To complete this project, you are first going to click this link here, which is going to take you to the NC State Learning Styles questionnaire. You're going to complete that questionnaire and make sure that you write down your results, because if you just click out of it, they're not going to save anywhere. You can even take a screenshot of your results. After you get your results from that questionnaire, you're going to open up just a blank Word document and you're going to answer these 3 questions. Now, to help you with the 3 questions, there is a document posted here that says Learning Styles and Strategies Descriptions. Especially for your answer for number 1 and number 3, that document is going to go over what your results mean. Because really these, like for example, this is my results here. It doesn't mean a lot to you until you understand what it means, for example, to be active, sensing, visual, and global. So make sure you open up that document before you answer these 3 questions. Make sure in terms of your submission requirements that you write and complete sentences. You want your total answer for all 3 questions. This means it doesn't have to be 300 words per question, altogether 300 words, and then you want to submit those answers as a Word or PDF document. And then your last assignment for this module is going to be a study strategies forum. So you are going to reply to this thread here and answer these 4 questions. This is just, this is helping each other. So the best way to get new tips and tricks for studying in your classes is learning, how do your classmates learn? What study methods do they find effective? What kind of technology are they using to study for their classes? To get full credit for this forum, make sure that you respond to at least one other classmate. Any questions, just shoot an email.